Hello again, everybody. I am back at the Mattel Adventure Park for a construction update for September 2023. As you can see, there's actually a lot of progress being made, a lot of new stuff here. Like this area right up front here was not there last time we checked in, and they got a lot of windows in, and it almost looks like the siding, like a finished siding on that hotel there. But we'll walk down here and check it out some more. Alright, here's a little bit better view of the Vi Resort. They're doing some work over there. Check it out, they're actually putting an air conditioner unit in right there.
Yeah.
The second one today. I was talking to a gentleman here. And
second or third one?
Second or third one today. Man. Nice. Check out right there. There's the track for the Twin Mill Racer coaster. Not installed yet, but very cool. Another AC unit going up. There's the other side of the building. The roller coaster up on the top.
You see underneath? You see little dark spots underneath?
Mm-hmm.
That's where they have to set it on the duct. So those ducts are already covered with rough. They need to set it on the duct just right. And that little line, that's the tag line, so they can turn it.
Alright, I'm just gonna get one more look at the Twin Mill Racer track. Very cool. Can't wait to see them start building that. Hopefully next update they'll start installing that. And of course the Bone Shaker. I'll actually put up on the screen the design of the car they're going to use, which we saw the car they're taking the inspiration from at last week's Hot Wheels car show, and I'll put a link to that in the description below. If you haven't checked that out, that was a really cool show and a lot of really neat cars there. Now what we can't see is that they do actually already have the flat rides, like the smaller kiddie rides, actually installed inside the building already. And I'll see if I can't find a picture of that. If I can, I'll put it up here. Hopefully I can find one. And we got a lot of the electrical vaults right here. And we got, like, what I was being told by this gentleman, that they're going to use these and they're going to run them under the street, you know, for like trash and, you know, food and stuff, you know, so that it could be out of sight, kind of like what Disney does, you know. So I don't know, we'll see. And then actually on the other side of the street here, this is going to be the HQ for this whole project here. You know, the Vi Resort, the Mattel Adventure Park, gonna be their HQ right here. And we'll check back here next month. Check out, see what progress is made then. A lot of progress though on these hotels here though since the last time I've been here. Man, very cool to see. I can't wait until they start the ride testing though. I mean, obviously that's quite a ways off, but how cool would that be to actually see the roller coasters start being tested? Ooh. Nice car. All right, that's gonna do it for this construction update. Check back next month. I'll have another one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.